How to change Facebook page name. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if you want to change the Facebook page name of your page is to tap on these three lines right here and switch to your Facebook page account. Let's say right here. Now, once we've switched to our Facebook page, all we have to do is to tap on this profile icon right here and then go to settings. You just have to scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Click on that and we'll be able to see settings right here. Now, once we're here, all we have to do is to scroll down again until we find page setup. We just have to tap on that. And once we tap on that, we'll be able to view the name of our account or our page right here. So all we have to do is to tap on view. And now we can change our Facebook page name. So if we want to change your Facebook page name, all you have to do is to tap on name right here and type in what you want your name to be right there. Now, after changing the Facebook page name, all you have to do is to tap on review change and type in your password. It will take up to 3 days until you fully change your name. So that's how to change Facebook page name. Hope we help.